Hey guys, what's up? This is Rezasan from Team Villay, and today we are doing the full review of the Honor 7X, which was recently released in Pakistan. So stay tuned for the video.
Taking trips, cause I never tripped on what they said. If you speaking from your heart and they say you're going over your head.
So on the front of the Honor 7X, you get a wobbling full HD plus display with a bezel as 18:9 aspect ratio with a density of 407 pixels per inch. The viewing angles are good and the display is very sharp. I'm pretty much impressed by the display of this phone. And on the bottom you get a headphone jack, a micro USB port and single mono speakers. On the right side you get a power button and the volume rockers. On the left side you get only a SIM ejection, and on the top of the phone you get a secondary microphone for noise cancellation. That's pretty much it on the body. On the rear you get 16 plus 2 megapixel cameras with a fingerprint sensor at the middle, and the build is of metallic, so it is very good. The buttons are really clicky, which I really like in this phone, despite having a good sharp display. And the fingerprint sensor was pretty fast. I have never seen such a fast fingerprint in the mid-range sector, and it was one of the best fingerprints I have ever tested on this channel, to be pretty honest. On the front you get an 8 megapixel sensor, and on the back you get a 16 plus 2 megapixel sensor for depth sensing. Here are some of the sample shots taken from the front camera. Here is the first one. As you can see, good blur only by a single camera. It's all AI based, so you can see this one and this one. I really like the picture quality, and the edge detection for the portrait mode was really good. Now these are some sample shots taken from the back camera. These were pretty good too. Dynamic range is really good, I would say, for a mid-range device. The portrait on the back was a little bit hit or miss, but the front was okay. Coming to the software experience, you are getting EMUI 5.1. I'm currently using a launcher on the front of it, because actually I don't like the icons of the EMUI, but it's really great. It offers a smooth experience, and I have just minor hiccups during its testing, and it was really okay. And I would say for performance wise, this phone is really great in this budget segment, I would say. And the gaming performance was pretty good too. Some big titles had a few hiccups, like the Asphalt 8 on the high graphic settings. It rocks at 3340 milliamp hours of battery, which is enough to keep the lights on for a day. I got a screen on time of 7 hours on the moderate usage. I guess it was a light use, not too heavy use, because on my heavy usage it only lasted for 5 hours and 41 minutes. The more disappointing thing about this phone is that it's rocking NOUGAT version of Android, which is already outdated for this device. As you can see, the front camera and the camera sector was also the back camera, where portrait mode was the thing that I don't like in this device. So what are your thoughts on the Honor 7X? Actually, I like this device so much that I'm already falling in love with this one, because of the slim body and the metallic back, and pretty much it ticks out every box except for the fact that it is using a micro USB port in 2018. That is really such a bad thing, and it does not have any fast charging, and it does not have any waterproofing. So these were some cons if you are considering to buy on a 7X, but in the 200 price segment, it's already the best or one of the best. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Peace.